It's the New Horizon 4. The size is Bali 5.8. And he built the 2025. The space is so big. Aegean, Saronic, and Ionian. I love Kykladas. Sifnos, Kimolos, Serifos, Kythnos, of course not Mykonos.
If you're interested in chartering New Horizons 4, please call us at DMA Yachting. My name is Susanna Dehan and I'll be happy to look after your inquiry.